Happy Valentine's Day.
So guys, as for today's prank, we've snuck in Miss Bella's office and taken a few of her own items that we're gonna wrap up, and we're gonna individually go to her and tell her that we have a gift for her, except it's actually just gonna be her own stuff from her office.
You think she's shivering?
Surprise!
Happy Principal Appreciation!
Take a seat.
Yeah.
See.
She brought her laptop.
I didn't go back to my office. I left the meeting. We just have a few more gifts. Yeah, a few more gifts.
April's loving this.
Small steps every day. My emotional support dumpster fire. Okay, thank you very much. Blue's my favorite color. Thank you. Chaos coordinator.
Did you not notice these things gone from your office? The last one, your favorite.
This was on the wall.
That was your favorite.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're done with the pranks this week, but we hope you've enjoyed them.
Thank y'all very much. Y'all have made my week.
We're here coming to you live from our Starbucks cafe in our library to give you our upcoming events.
Hey Emma, when's the next volleyball game?
Monday the 20th against PTA Fate and Fate. When's the next football game?
On Thursday against White Right and White Right. Then we have a regional band competition in Mesquite.
And our end of season volleyball tournament will be on the 25th in Cumbie.
Bye guys.
We are here with Miss Bellows, our principal. Today is Boss's Day. Please open your first clue.
First clue. Do I need to read this out loud?
No. We're just gonna follow you around.
Boring voices are.
Color looks good on you.
Oh, thanks.
Those hats never do fit right.
Come to play. Like the gym?
Yeah, good job.
What's this one?
I know you love this.
Thank you.
What?
To go to the cafeteria.
They're all gonna cheer you on.
Okay. Is that it?
I think so. What is the next one? Good job!
I love your hat.
Thank you, Cody.
Got it. So, Miss Bellows, tell us something great that's happened today on Boss's Day.
All the students showed up. Woo! blueberry donut.
Woo! 3 wins.
Now we're headed over to the admin building to give Miss Kessel her basket for her next week.
Thank you so much. I appreciate
Happy
it.
Bosses Day!
Thank you guys.
And now for the big announcement of the day. Happy Principal Appreciation Month, everyone. Today at lunch, it's going down. Miss Bellows versus Braylon McElrath in the ultimate showdown. Who will win? Who will humble under pressure? But one thing's for sure, our principal's competitive side is about to make an appearance. Don't miss it, Wolves. With something to think about, this is Cody Painter. Continue feeding the good wolf and remember to be an alpha. I love my job.
Hey Raylan, how many nights a week should you be reading?
6, 7.